guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate, hazelnut and caramel tart. Chocolate and hazelnut is one of those flavor combinations that never go wrong. It's always amazing, and then with the addition of caramel, it's going to be good. So I hope you like this recipe, and let's get started.
Into a food processor, add flour, powdered sugar, almond meal and butter and process until a sand-like texture. Then slowly add half a beaten egg and process until it comes together. Transfer the dough to a work surface and split the dough in half. Top with baking paper and roll it out until nice and thin, then place it in the freezer to firm up for 5 minutes. Repeat with the other half as well. Then remove from the freezer and peel off the baking paper. Using some tart rings, cut out the base of each of the tarts. If you find the dough is too soft, just put it back in the freezer for a little bit longer. Now, using the other sheet of rolled dough, cut out some strips that are about 2 centimeters wide. Using these strips, line the sides of your tart rings. Once you've lined all your tarts, put them into the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up before you trim them. Once the tarts have firmed up, use a small knife to trim the edges. Now bake these for 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Once they've been baked, remove the tart rings and let them cool. To make the caramel, we're going to add the sugar into a small saucepan and cook that until it's golden brown. Then into your caramelized sugar, add some warm thickened cream and mix it until it's completely smooth. Be careful as it splatters a lot. Turn off the heat and add some unsalted butter and then stir that until it's completely melted. While we let the caramel cool, chop up some roasted hazelnuts. Into each tart shell, add about 6 to 7 grams of roasted hazelnuts. And then into your cooled caramel, add a big pinch of salt. Now distribute your caramel evenly between your 6 tart shells and let that cool in the fridge while we prepare our chocolate ganache. Into some warm thickened cream, add your roughly chopped dark chocolate and mix that until it's completely melted. Now stir in some cubed unsalted butter. Once the butter is mostly dissolved, add your Nutella and mix it until it's completely smooth. Now into your chilled tarts, evenly distribute the chocolate ganache. Give your tarts a few taps to release some large air bubbles, and let's decorate. Using the rest of your roasted hazelnuts, arrange them in a moon shape around the edge of your tart. Then sprinkle your tarts with a little flaky salt.
And that's it, my chocolate, caramel and hazelnut tarts. They look amazing and they smell amazing as well, so I can't wait to give them a try. It's so good. It kind of reminds me of a Twix, but with a little bit of hazelnut. It's not too sweet because it's got that salt and we use dark chocolate. And yeah, you should You should just try this recipe. It's really good. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what else you'd like me to make. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!